welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Vital Baby Nurture Flexicone Electric Breast Pump. Quite a mouthful, but we're going to get started. So this is the box that it comes in. So the first thing that you can see there is the manual, and then you've got your pump, looking quite nice, sat there in that compartment there. So it's got 2 layers. Let's deal with this one first. Got the pump. Okay, this is the charger. So it comes with an adapter and a USB cable as well. So this seems to be quite a unique plug, so you do need to have this to be able to use the pump. Okay, so this is the pump. Very sleek. I like that. So it seems to have this little flap that you peel off. But I like to keep mine on because I want it to last as long as possible. So there's that. It shows you what all the display looks like. Okay, so back to this box. What else is in here? Okay, this is nice. So you have got the Vital Baby Nurture Ultra Comfort breast pads. I think you've got 6 in there. Okay. Then you've got the hand pump, which allows you to turn it from an electric pump to a hand pump, which is lovely. And this is all that's in the box. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so we've got 1 bottle stand, 1 nipple, so this is what the nipple or the teeth looks like. It's got these valves, there's air vents, and it's like soft silicone. The teeth is quite thin, you can see that. Okay, so we've got our Flexicone. This is the cone cover, or the breast shield cover. And this is what the actual breast shield looks like. Let's cover that. Okay, we've got the top part of our bottle. It's got a Medela style valve, which is the membrane valve that you pull off. You can see that. And you've got your cover, and backflow protector. This is actually quite an interesting backflow protector. It's got these little things in there, quite unique. Got these 2 spouts. Okay, so you twist to lock, but you want to lock it so that the tube insert is at the back, like that. So you've got it at the back, and this is the front. And you've got your bottle. So you can see all of these are all individually wrapped, which is nice. Now that it's all new. Vital Baby. It's got the markings, so it goes up to 5 ounces, but you can fit in a little bit more than that. If I just, so that's your bottle, ready for feeding. Okay, then we've got, this is the adapter. This allows you to be able to pump from here into the bottle. Like that. So that's how you set that up. Okay, then finally we have got the tubing. And we've got an extra couple of membranes there. And we've got an extra connector as well. So that's nice. Okay, so we've got the tubing. So that's the length of the tubing. So this is a single electric pump. So this is all you've got in the box. So you've got your tubing, your teat, your bottle stand. Let's try that. So it's like a Modelo style. Push it in, and there you have it, sitting quite firmly. Let's try this. So you can see here, this hole is for this top part here, and this bigger one is for this bottom part. So you just push that in there and secure it tightly, and there you go. So tubing, so that goes in there, and secure that. And then this one goes, so this is the battery charging port, and this is the tubing port. It's got a little cover which you just open up and plug your tube in it, and there you have it. And then you've got your manual pump. Now let's open this up. Everything looks really sleek and very well made. So this has got your backflow protector inbuilt. Okay, so if you want to take that off, you do that. So this is what keeps it on. To take it off, you pull it out. You can sterilize this the first time. To put it back in, you just push it in and then hook it. And there you go. Okay, now let's turn this from an electric pump to a manual pump. So we've got to twist this off, take this out, and then grab that, put that on, and twist it. And there you have it. Okay. And that's your manual pump. So that's it, guys. If you'd like to see more videos of unboxing and all things breast pumping and nursing, don't forget to like this video and subscribe.